Well, here we go for day number 48 and 49. Now we have our subfloor down. We can start building some walls. And again, my nephew's with me, so he gets to be put to work. And which is good if you learn how to build some walls. And he can be a help. So here we go.
All right, so now that we're going to be framing some walls upstairs here, we got our first wall up. And I have my nephew with me. And this is what you get for visiting family while building the house. You get to build too. So we are learning this young man. How old are you? 25? 15, yes. He's like 5 inches taller than me. You got a beast. So I just instructed him on how to build a wall, and he is going to build a wall all by himself with 0 mistakes. This is my house. We have exact lumber, so no mistakes. We're going to get it done. Learning the next generation, one wall at a time. So, got to keep watching to see if he makes it right or not. So, he completed his first wall. How was it? Good. Good. I remember my first wall. It's a great memory.
Well, he did a fantastic job. Whoever taught him knew what he was doing. So we're going to finish building the rest of these walls here. And we basically are setting this up to be a 4 individual bedrooms on the right side of the building. And then a master bedroom on the left with 2 bathrooms. So we're going to take advantage of every square inch of this place. And to ensure that we have plenty of bedrooms for all 5 of our daughter children. So to make sure there's plenty of room to grow and for them to have a room for themselves. So after I got these first couple walls up, what I'm actually going to be doing here is cutting a hole in my freshly built ceiling. I know, it's very painful. But I'll cut a hole up there, that way I can actually get my stairs to go up to the kind of attic loft area that I decided to put up instead of having just basic attic space. We're going to actually have like a loft, like a play area for the kids. So I got to cut a hole in the wall and start building my stairs to get up to the 2nd floor. Well, I mean, technically it'd be 3rd floor, but it's not really a full floor because it's kind of cathedral-style ceilings and everything. But it is extra space that we didn't want to waste. Yes, that was quite the handy little chainsaw to do some longer cuts that a Sawzall or circular saw can't get. But we got that hole cut out there for our stairs to put in, and now we are in the process of putting up this longest wall, which is the main support for the actual, well, I guess it would be 3rd floor, but it's not really a 3rd floor, but 2nd floor ceiling. Getting these what are 32-foot I-joists, which are actually too far of a span. So we're finally putting these supports up. That way you can actually handle the weight and really stiffen that floor above. That way it doesn't bounce anymore. And so that main wall right there we just put up kind of helps support all of that. And, of course, on the right side there, that is where the majority of the 4 bedrooms will be. And so all those are going to be on that right side there. Got that one put up. And now we're working on the left side, which will technically be the master bedroom and bathroom and everything. And we're slowly getting there. And the camera kept falling over there. Probably should get a better tripod, or should just get a tripod in general. And then the boss showed up to make sure everything's working right. And we are a go. No more change orders from the boss. That's always nice. And this is the last big wall. It was a 18-foot wall. And for some reason, my nephew disappeared. And so, anyways, it was fun trying to lift this guy up by myself. But we got it, you know. Yeah, to lift with your back and that twisting, jerking motion, and anything can be accomplished. But we got that last big wall up, and the last couple little bit of walls again put up here, and then we will have, drum roll please, the 2nd floor finally framed, and except for a few small little walls, but okay, nobody's worried about those. We'll do those later. Take like 10 minutes to do a couple of those, not a big deal. But we'll have the majority of the work done, and the end is near. All right, now that I get all these walls built here, I can finally start doing some more electrical and plumbing here in a little bit, but I I gotta do some more exterior work first before I get excited and start working on that kind of stuff. But all the walls are put up. The lovely stairs are put in. I still have to put in a wall. If I get my finger right. There it is. All the way down there. Basically fall on the wall here. That way this can be a closed off closet from inside of this room here. But anyways, I got a little bit of walls here and there to do, but all the big things are up, which makes it nice. And I got a few small little closets to build in each bedroom, but it'll take like 10 minutes to do each one, not a huge deal. But the majority of the walls are done, and that's the exciting part. And so glad my nephew was able to be my presence for this last week or so to help me with these walls, and he made life go a little bit quicker. So anyways, now that he's gone, it's back to normal and back to building all by myself, which is fun and exciting at the same time because the end is near, and I mean near, probably another 50 days, but we are getting there. But we got the walls up, and next step is to finish the roof. Yeah, start putting some shingles on the roof. Excited about that one. Yes, one shingle at a time. I remember like over 3,000 square foot roof. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Don't wanna miss that video. It looks painful, and it is, but it will be rewarding. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to push that notification button. That way you can see this next exciting putting shingles on our roof.